Is this the best case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Today we're going to find out. I've been testing the new Casekoo MagicStand 360 cases. The titanium orange cosmic there, the deep matte blue. Not only do they look incredible, they've also survived my gym sessions, my travels, and even a couple of nasty drops. Now today we're going to be looking at the 4 different cases. So we've got the orange, the matte blue, the clear, and also the matte black as well. We're very happy to look at these. In this video, we'll unbox the cases, go through the design and features, test the drop protection, see how well the MagSafe works, and I'll compare them against Apple, Otterbox, and Spigen cases, so you can decide if these are the right cases for you. Now, I can't wait to do this, and there are the cases just there. Now, I've got an exciting announcement as well. We're actually doing a giveaway. So if you want a chance to win 3 prizes, we'll give away 2 cases to each person. So enter below. The more entries you make, the more chance you to win, and we'll send 2 of these lovely cases out there for your brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. And also guys, check out the links below because we're doing a lot more giveaways as well, over $4,000 worth of prizes. As you guys know, I test tech in the real world, not just a studio. So let's dive in. So unboxing both cases, the first thing that stands out is the design. The Cosmic Orange has a titanium frame with this polished metallic shine that matches the new iPhone 17 perfectly. You also get a crystal clear back that shows off the iPhone while resisting UV yellowing. Something guys that's very important because you buy cases and without the right case like Casekoo, it can actually go bland after a couple of weeks. The matte blue deep goes the opposite direction. It's got a grippy, soft, nubuck texture frame and a semi-frosted back that hides smudges while still letting the iPhone color come through. Both of these feel premium, like they were designed side by side with the iPhone itself. Let's talk about the feature that makes these cases unique, the Magic 360 stand. Now, this is the world's first patented magnetic stand case, and it's a game changer. It rotates a full 360 degrees with up to 70 degrees of adjustment horizontally or vertically. I've been using it everywhere, at the gym, propping up my phone for workouts, on planes to watch Netflix, and even at my desk during video calls. It's smooth, it's sturdy, and it doubles as a secure grip. Honestly, it replaces the need for a pop socket or a bulky kickstand, and it blends straight into the case design. But let's get real. The biggest weak spot of the iPhone 17 is that gigantic camera, as you can see just there. Most cases leave it wide open, which means one bad corner drop and you're out hundreds of dollars in repairs. Casekoo tackles this with what they call the D cover, a semi-colored covered lens frame with reinforced edges, as you can see just there. Combine that with the 2.5mm raised around the screen and tri-layer corner reinforcements, and you've got protection in all the places that matters most. Well guys, as you know, Mr. Yoo-hoo is a bit of a risk taker, so I want to go test out this case actually doing some drop tests. So to test this first, I did what I always do, drop it. First from pocket height onto a wooden floor. And finally, a drop face down onto tiles, the one every iPhone owner dreads. Well, how did it happen? Well, let's go and have a look. So every time, as you could see, the case absorbed this impact. The stand stayed locked in and the phone came out looking brand new. This is where you can see the difference between a $5 case and something engineered properly. Now, as you guys see as well, we haven't just done one case as well. We've actually tested out a lot of different Casekoo cases. And that's where Casekoo shines. They use something called MagPrime, because basically magnets are twice as strong as normal cases. My MagSafe charger locks on instantly, my wallet doesn't slide around, and car mounts hold firm even when I'm driving over potholes. Compared to Apple's own case, the magnets feel more secure, and compared to cheap Amazon cases, guys, it's absolutely night and day. Now, durability is another important thing, as we were speaking about before. So I've been flipping the MagStand open and shut constantly for the past week, and it still feels brand new. No loosening, no wobbles, no squeaks. Casekoo actually won both the IF Design and Red Dot Awards for this, and you can see why. It's sleek, it's strong, and it works. Well, the important question is, how does this match up to other cases? Well, Apple's leather and silicone cases look clean, but they don't offer serious drop protection. And guys, they definitely don't give you a stand. Otterbox and Spigen are rock solid tanks that can handle almost anything, but they're bulky, heavy, and don't color match the iPhone the way Casekoo does. Casekoo sits right in the middle, slim and stylish like Apple, tough like Otterbox, and with unique features like the 360-degree stand that none of them offer. But also look at the colors there as well. Aren't they beautiful? I mean, they really are stunning cases. They look really perfect. You get other things such as stickers with them as well. You can put on your cases. All in all, it's a very strong quality build. And why is this so important to me? Because as a busy content creator, I travel all the time. So I edit at cafes, airports, I'm at gym most days, and I film everywhere as well. And I don't want to carry a bulky tank of a case, but I also can't risk smashing my iPhone. Casekoo has given me that balance. It looks good enough to shoot B-roll, was strong enough to survive drops, and functional enough to use anywhere. So guys, I absolutely love the cases. So here's my verdict. If you buy the iPhone 17 Pro Max, these are the case you want to look at. First, if you want something really, really bold, you can go for titanium cosmic orange, which I have on here. If you want to go blue, you can go the matte deep blue, which I also think looks absolutely fantastic. We also have the clear case just here, and also the black matte finish as well. They get premium design, real world protection, and features you can actually use. So guys, if you want to grab one, I'll leave the Amazon link at the top of the description, and let me know in comments which one would you pick. And also guys, we're doing a giveaway. So we're giving away 2 cases as a prize. We're giving away 3 prizes. So guys, you have the chance to win your own Casekoo case for your iPhone. It's so exciting. Put in comments below what you want. Now Casekoo also does these for the iPhone Pro 15 Max as well. This promotion is for the 17. But if you have other iPhone models, still enter. You'll be able to use these as well. But guys, what is your favorite case color? That's the biggest question. Do you like the blue? Do you like the clear? Do you like the orange or the black? My personal favorite is the orange. It looks very nice. But all in all, the presentation with these is absolutely fantastic. So there they are. Yeah, and links are in the description below. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here with Andy and Mr. Yoo-Hoo for the Casekoo iPhone 17 Pro Max 360 stand review.